Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to mute someone on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to mute someone on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. After opening your Telegram app, guys, in order to mute that person whom you want to, open the chat box of that person. And after opening the chat box of that person whom you want to mute, at the top of the screen, guys, you can see their name. Tap their name at the top of the screen and this kind of their profile will open, where at the right side you can see there is the toggle icon for notifications. Now you can customize your notifications over here. You can see either you can mute forever, customize mute for a certain time, or disable sound. But in order to mute them permanently for some time, tap on the toggle icon just beside the notifications and they will be muted on Telegram. And there guys, this is how to mute someone on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.